What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you had a good weekend and you're having as good a Monday as you can possibly be having given these circumstances. I mean, we're just getting hit from all directions today. Mondays are bad enough already because the weekend's over, and then combine it with this right here. It is just a bad day. Bitcoin down 3% of the day and down about 14% on the week. We are below 92,000. Ethereum has broken that 3,000 crucial level on the downside. We're at 2980, down 4% of the day. BNB down 3% of the day. Ripple down 4% of the day. Solana, nothing is being hit worse than Solana. It's down 6% on the day and 22.5% on the week to reach $129 per token right now. The way Solana's going, we'll be below 100 before you know. And to make matters even worse, we just had some bullish news drop, which unfortunately has not had any positive reaction on the markets. The news is that $2,000 tariff checks are now confirmed. They weren't confirmed previously. In the last half an hour, they have been confirmed. We'll be getting them by mid-2026, within the next 8 months or so, possibly sooner. So yeah, this news has caused Bitcoin to go up from like 91.5 to 91.8. That's like a 0.2% rise. Not exactly the major pump a lot of people were predicting. The good news, if there is any, some people were predicting this would be a sell the news event and then it would cause the market to dump. It hasn't caused that either. It's just had a neutral / very muted reaction. So what's going on in the broader picture? Why is the market dumping? Well, it's a whole host of reasons. Like, altcoin season didn't really come on time. A lot of people got frustrated, so they just sold off their altcoin bag. Sentiment is at an all-time low. But I think the more important factor is, what is crypto going to do right now? And not why is it dumping? It is, when is it going to start pumping? But now the good news is that we have some very bullish data points to look at that are about to show we are going to start going up in the markets, and we're going to start going up fast. The data points have to do with the Bitcoin Fear and Greed Index. It goes from 0 to 99, 0 indicating a lot of fear in the markets. People think crypto is going to 0. They're ready to kill themselves. 99 indicates a lot of bullishness in the markets. Crypto's already at an all-time high. People think it's just going to keep going higher. Everyone's going to be billionaires. Currently, we're at 14. That's today's reading. Yesterday, it was at 10. The day before that, it was at 10. And now if you look at the historical Fear and Greed Index in all the maybe 7 or 8 years that it has been running, currently we're right here. It never goes below 10, hardly ever. You can see about 6 months ago, it also hit 10 exactly. And then we haven't gone below 10 in 3+ years, 3.5 years, since June 2022. That was when Celsius and BlockFi and Voyager and 3 Arrows Capital went bust. So I've just shown to you, we almost never go less than 10, which was yesterday's reading and the day below's reading. Now, the important thing, here's what we want to focus on. Do crypto prices go up or down when we're at extreme fear? Look at this stat right here. When the fear and greed drops below 20, which it has been the last 4 or 5 days, the 1 week return is up 5%. The 1 month return is up 20%. The 3-month return is up 62%. So Bitcoin, its current price is about 92,000. Do you know what up 62% would be? That would mean in mid-February, 3 months from now, Bitcoin would be at around $145,000. This is pretty bullish, people. The bottom line is, even though it feels like everyone's suicidal and Bitcoin's going to 0, the prices almost always, or do always, go up when we hit readings this low. So the bottom line is this. Do we know exactly which day the market is going to start pumping? Is it going to be tomorrow, the next day, next week, maybe even 2 weeks? No, we don't know. It could be tomorrow in the same likelihood as it could start pumping in 2, 3, 4 weeks from now. But what we do know is that, yes, the market almost 100% is going to start turning around. I think it is going to be this week, later in the week, and then I think we are going to slowly start rising and hit a new Bitcoin all-time high, maybe within 2 months or so, give or take. But the conclusion is, don't listen to all the panicking. We've been around this for 17 years in crypto. We have proven that we cannot go to 0. This is just a temporary hiccup that happens about twice a year. So, it's not even that unusual. Don't sell the FUD. Hold your bags. Not financial advice. I'd be buying more. I am buying more. You do your own due diligence yourself. Make your own decisions. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Hit the like and subscribe button. Drop a comment. Ask a question. I'll try to answer. I will be back later with a new video. BenCrypto signing out. Catch you later.